Planning a move from Mississauga to Peterborough and wondering how much movers will cost? Since this is a regional move within Ontario, the price usually depends on more than just the distance. Your home, size, number of movers, packing needs, stairs, elevators, parking access, and moving date can all affect the final quote. In this video, we'll break down what affects the cost of moving from Mississauga to Peterborough and how to plan your move with fewer surprises. According to 3 movers, moving from Mississauga to Peterborough typically costs around $1,000 to $2,500 for a 2-bedroom home. The route is roughly 135 kilometers, and the drive itself often takes about 2 to 4 hours, depending on traffic, timing, and access conditions. For a typical apartment or small house, the full move may take around 4 to 8 hours total once you include loading, travel, unloading, and setup time. Larger homes, difficult access, or extra services can increase the timeline. The biggest cost factor is usually how much you're moving. A small apartment with boxes and basic furniture will usually cost less than a larger home with multiple bedrooms, garage items, patio furniture, appliances, and heavy pieces. More belongings mean more labor, more truck space, and more time on moving day. Many regional Ontario moves are charged hourly, especially for shorter routes like Mississauga to Peterborough. A smaller move may only need 2 movers and a truck, while a larger home may need 3 or 4 movers to keep things moving efficiently. 3 Movers notes that crew size, packing services, stairs, elevator access, long carry distance, and special items can all influence the final price. Packing can make the move easier, but it can also change the price. If you want movers to pack dishes, fragile items, electronics, artwork, or your entire home, that adds time and materials. Full-service movers can also help with furniture disassembly, protective wrapping, loading, transportation, unloading, and setup at the destination. If you're trying to save money, packing ahead of time and labeling boxes clearly can help reduce labor hours. Access can make a big difference. Stairs, elevators, condo rules, long hallways, tight parking, and long carries from the truck to the door can all add time. If you're moving from or into an apartment building, reserve elevators early and confirm loading rules before moving day. That helps the moving crew work faster and keeps the schedule smoother. Timing matters too. 3 Movers recommends booking Mississauga to Peterborough movers about 2 to 4 weeks in advance, especially during the busy moving season from May through September. Weekend moves and larger homes may require even earlier planning because crew availability can tighten quickly. The easiest way to get a realistic price is to request a quote based on your actual inventory, building access, moving date, packing needs, and delivery details. If you're moving from Mississauga to Peterborough, visit 3 Movers to compare options and request a free moving estimate.